Hi, my name is Mehek. Today we will cook food. For me, let's start cooking. I love to eat food and it's my favorite kitchen. Barbie kitchen. Let's get our food. What is the food? 1 minute. Aha! I found it. Here is my there is some carrots, fish. It's my fish. It's my pet fish, but I don't like it because it always poops in the water. Okay, and this is the carrot that I buy from the market. We will put the food in the pot. Let's take our spoon and put them in the pot. 1 fish, 2 carrots. No. Why I am so silly. 1 carrot. Okay. Let's put the plate back and let's start cooking it. My favorite dessert. I love this. Oh, I need to wash my hands. Oh yes. I can wash my hands over here. Turn on the water. Wash. I'm done cleaning my hands. Now, I want to drink some water. Oops. Oh, I failed it. Okay, it's okay. Let's put this over there. Because I already drink some water. Why did it become hard? Yes, I put it. Now it's in their place. Now let's cook it again. Begin cooking. Love to cook it. It smells delicious. And look, there is 2 clocks, one over here, one over here, and it's not a drawer, it's a fridge, but I don't use it too much. Let's cook it. Oh, I forgot. My friend Barbie is coming today. And I'm afraid that she's already here. Because I am not done cooking. And she's here. Oh no, she already come. Let's do it more faster. I think it's gonna be bad. Okay, let's start cooking again. Begin our cooking. Let's cook it again. Fast. Oh no, he's getting in already. Stop! What did I do this? My carrot just jumped from the pot. My luck. Let's get the carrot again. It's like dark. Okay, let's clean it. It's so dirty. Clean it. Okay. Now the carrot is clean. Let's put it in the pot again. Now we should start cooking again. Fine. Finish the cooking. Smells very good. It's getting in. Let's say something to her. Hey, Barbie! And I think you cannot come in our house today. I'm not inviting you today. The next day you can come because oh no, the food is already burned and you cannot come. Sorry. Bye. Finally she's gone. Now I can eat the food. How silly. It's not burnt. I want to eat this. That's why I said the food is burnt. Yes, finally I can eat it. Yes, let's go cook. Yummy, yummy. I want to eat it now. Oh, it's done. Let's cook it in the plate. Get the spoon and take this, a little of the carrot, and fish. The fish is like red color because it's goldfish. Now I am gonna eat it. First, the fish. That was delicious. Let's try the carrot now. That was yummy. Let's put the plate here. The spoon here. That was delicious. I need to drink some water, I think. I'm now thirsty because I did a lot of work now. I will drink some water. Oh, it's our pet snake over here. And there is the kitchen over here, and the snake is over here, and the kitchen is there. We can cook there. The snake is here, the kitchen is there, the snake is here, the kitchen is here. Silly me. I love. Okay. Say hello to everyone, snake. Hi guys. That smells delicious. Let's try it. Hey, snake! What's wrong? Why are you eating that? It's not for eating. Go, snake. Fine. I'm hungry. Yes, I will cook now. Oh yeah. Really? I think he's hungry. Let's cook some. noodles for kings. Pepper. Thanks. Hey, stop! I'm scared of you. Stop it. A bit of salt. Oh, I'm cooking noodles. Now let's just serve it. And then now you can have it. Yummy. Here is your food in jar. Time for diving. I want it. Yummy. That was delicious. Thank you. You're welcome. Right. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye. See you soon.